I'm all set to rock the festivities in style. And if you want to know how I created this look, then keep watching. First of all, I took this Stay Quirky before makeup oil and just warming the oil in between my palms and pressing it all over my face for that nourished look. Now is the time for the color correction. And here we have Sugar and LA Girl. This is the peach corrector from LA Girl that I would be putting all over the areas where I have blemishes, and for those newly got pimple red marks, I'm using the Sugar Green corrector. Now you would be wondering, why am I using my fingers? I got a skin infection. Maybe I was using my brushes for a long time, so that's why I'm pressing it with fingers. Now is the time for the foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations. It gives sheer coverage. Of course, the coverage is buildable, so you can very well build it to the extent which you need. This is again Vanilla Latte from Sugar. Now coming to the concealer of my skin tone, this is Maybelline, and one of the best concealers, of course, which fits into my pocket as well. Now I will be just concealing the areas which I have majorly color corrected, so that there is no peeping in of those peachy and green colors. Again, using my fingers to deposit the product on the areas where it is needed. You need to make sure that you are pressing the product on the area, or as better said, over the area, and here we are done. Now using the Sugar Cosmetics eyebrow pencil, here I am making my brows, because as per me, I think I don't have brows. So here you can see the technique. Of course, I have another video which is entirely on making of the eyebrows, so you can very well check that out. Now moving from drugstore to something very high end. This is my very first bottle of the Tarte concealer, and I must say it is worth the hype. So this is the concealer which I will be using for highlighting all those areas where it is needed. You can check the technique. Of course, this is the technique which is a hot favorite these days, and I must say, guys, this is a very hydrating concealer, totally creaseless. Because I have an aging skin, so under my eyes I majorly suffer from those creases. But as per my usage and as per my experience of this concealer, it is worth each penny. So you can very well invest in this concealer. I am totally loving the way it is melting into my skin. Make sure whenever you are doing it under the eyes, don't deposit too much of the product. Just start from the inner corner, and then you can drag that product to the outer corner, and still you will feel that there is a flawless finish. For the eyelids, I just take the beauty blender, which may have some remains of the foundation on the concealer, and here you can see what a flawless finish. Now, before setting up my concealer, with the help of loose powder, I will be making sure that there are no crease lines. Now, taking the loose powder, this one is from Sugar Cosmetics, and I will be pressing the powder into my skin rather than just dragging it out. Now this is something new which I have learned to get minimum crease lines under the eyes. First pat the powder at the back of your hand and then set your under eyes. This will give you least possible crease lines. Now is the time to give some dimensions to the face with the help of Hoola Beauty. You can check how I am trying to give a lifted appearance to my face. I'm trying to bring about shadows on particular areas of the face. This brush which I'm using is from Huda Beauty. I just got it in Nykaa sale, and I must say that it was a steal deal. This brush is really good, so you may even try. Now coming to my most favorite product which I'm using almost every day. This is the Recode blush. Now this smells like anything. This looks like an angel. This is so apt for the makeup, no makeup look. And now I move to the most favorite thing. This was long back purchased by me, and I don't know why I don't like those black eyes, but these blue ones really attract me. This is an amazing palette from Sugar, and I won't be doing a lot, just highlighting the crease and then making a little bit of dark ends and just taking any glitter shade and filling it. In the means, I'm trying to create a little bit of halo, not a very major halo, so that it looks very natural. So now with the help of some gel eyeliner, I will be putting up a wing. And you know what, when I started using this gel eyeliner, I realized that it's much more easier with a gel eyeliner as compared to the liquid eyeliners. My wing is never correct whenever it comes to a liquid eyeliner, but see here, I think I am a little more comfortable. Now, just curling the lashes and applying the mascara. Single coat is never enough. Always understand that. Don't be harsh, it's the technique that matters. So you may go for 3 to 4 coats. And what do I do without this bindi for this look? See, it's always good to give that factor with the help of some dark lipper if you are going for some very natural shades on your eyelids. So this is another very favorite lipstick of mine, Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics, a very affordable brand, and yet providing good stuff. So here, let's highlight the face with the help of this Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop highlighter, and I just love that shine which it provides. It looks so natural. So here we are doing some sort of art on our face, and that's it. So we have this complete look over here. I hope you must have enjoyed the video as much I did while creating it. So do recreate this look and share it with me. If you have any questions, do comment down. Do subscribe. Bye bye till the next video.